Hi, my name is Angela and thank you for dropping in. The perfume Dossier has came in. This is how it came boxed. I would have opened it, but I want to try to see exactly how it was packaged. Oh wow. Yeah. Heart. This is how it came. Upside down. This is how it came. It's a pretty box. I only ordered one because I wanted to smell it first. It really wasn't expensive. It's like $20-something. They have this in it. And this is a fruity perfume, and I'm not a fruity person. But everybody says it smells good, it lasts long. Guess what? It'll get you all the time. And this is how it came boxed. And I've been getting emails telling you how to preserve the perfume, how to keep it up. It said keep it out of light. Don't store it in the bathroom. Keep it out of direct sun, you know. And this is it. It's a nice size. Let's see. Don't smell bad at all. There you go. Okay, don't smell bad. Like I said, I'm not a fruity person. It smells good. It really do. And if this smell would steal me all day, they got a winner. I want some more. Yes, fruity. Yes, it smells good. If this smell stays on me all day, I'm good. I want some more. I'm going to order some more too. I want to try a different name, a different kind. But yes, this is it. And this is the pretty box that it came in. Yes. Thank you for watching. Yeah, you should try it. It smells good. As always, be blessed. Thank you for dropping by. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, I got it right this time. Yes. Anyway, my name is Angela.